6 feet long 2 feet wide, 72 inch x 24 inch, at 1.5 inch thick firm high-density EPE foam is ideal for activities and exercises such as yoga, aerobics, Pilates, MMA and martial arts. Surface is made of non-toxic lead-free durable 18 ounces puncture-resistant and non-absorbent vinyl. Moisture-resistant technology makes the mat to be easily washed with soap and water. Exceptional resilience allow you to keep your balance during any exercise style. Carrying handles and lightweight make it easy to take the mat around. A foldable, 3-panel design and handles on each mat make it easy to store and transport your mat. Expanded dimension, 6x2x 1.5, folded dimensions, 24x24 by 4.5. All genuine BalanceFrom products are covered by a 100% BalanceFrom satisfaction and 2-year BalanceFrom. Customer satisfaction is our highest priority. Top reviews from the United States. Love this product. This product was much larger than I anticipated. I mean that in a good way, smiley face. Now my children can play safely with the safety the product helps to provide. Lightweight and easy to use. I am getting an error when I try to attach a photo to my review. This trifold mat comes with handles that make carrying it simple and easy.